Imagine a world where technology is so integrated into our lives that it feels like a part of us. Since the dawn of the new millennium, we've been on a whirlwind journey of technological evolution. The onset of smartphones, a device that fits in the palm of our hands, has transformed the way we communicate, work, and play. The world is now at our fingertips, quite literally. Also, artificial intelligence has moved from the realm of science fiction into our homes, learning our habits, and making our lives easier. It's a shift so profound it feels like we're living in a future that was once only imagined. These are just the tip of the iceberg. Technology continues to evolve at a pace that's almost hard to keep up with. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the birth and rise of technologies that will shape our future. The shift in technology we've seen feels almost magical. But what will 2050 hold for us? One technology that promises to change life as we know it is nanotechnology. Imagine tiny robots so small that millions of them could fit on the head of a pin. These are nanobots, and they're set to revolutionize the world in ways we can barely comprehend. Futurist Ray Kurzweil believes that by the mid-century, nanobots will have become an integral part of our lives. Picture this: nanobots in our bloodstream, repairing cells and fighting diseases before we even realize we're sick. Or nanobots in the environment, cleaning up pollution and helping to reverse climate change. But it doesn't stop there. Kurzweil suggests that nanobots could even be used in warfare, creating a new kind of conflict that's fought on a microscopic level. It's a future that's both exciting and a little daunting. These nanobots could potentially revolutionize medicine, environment, and even warfare. The rise of nanobots is just one more step on the path to the future, a future that's closer than we might think. But every new technology comes with its challenges. Consider nanotechnology, for instance. This groundbreaking field promises to revolutionize our world, from medicine to environmental science. Yet its high cost is a significant hurdle. Implementing nanobots into our daily lives is no small feat. It requires intense research, cutting-edge materials, and complex manufacturing processes, all of which come with a hefty price tag. This could potentially delay its widespread use, making it a privilege of the few before it becomes a resource for many. This pattern isn't new to us. We've seen it time and again in the world of technology. The first personal computers, mobile phones, even electric cars, they were all prohibitively expensive at their inception. It's often the innovative, groundbreaking developments that are the most expensive initially. But with time, as production scales up and processes become more efficient, these technologies become more and more accessible to the general public. Now, let's talk about transportation. We've come a long way from the horse-drawn carriages and steam-powered trains of the past. Today, we're on the brink of a new era, where technology and transportation intertwine in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. Companies like Tesla are leading the charge with self-driving cars, using complex algorithms and machine learning to navigate our roads with unprecedented precision. But it doesn't stop there. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing vertical takeoff and landing vehicles that could redefine air travel as we know it. Imagine going from New York to Tokyo in just a couple of hours. These advancements are not just about getting us from point A to point B faster, they're about transforming our lifestyle, giving us the freedom to choose how we spend our time. Self-driving cars will change our lifestyle, giving us the freedom to choose whether to relax or be productive as we travel. So, what does the future hold for us? As we stand on the precipice of an era defined by rapid advances in technology, we are poised to witness the transformative power of innovation on a scale we've yet to fully comprehend. From the ubiquity of smartphones to the advent of artificial intelligence, our lives have been fundamentally altered. And this is just the beginning. Picture a world where nanobots are as commonplace as aspirin, revolutionizing medicine, the environment, even warfare. Envision a time when transportation is no longer a chore, but an opportunity for relaxation or productivity. But as we race towards this brave new world, we must also prepare for the challenges that lie ahead. The cost of innovation, both financial and societal, will be a hurdle we must overcome. But if history is any indication, we are more than capable of facing these challenges head-on. The journey to 2050 is going to be filled with exciting discoveries and challenges. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the future of technology.